So children, we know quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus, we know quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yesterday I was telling you completing square method, in which the first step is divide whole equation with coefficient of x square. Whole equation divided with coefficient of x square. Ax square by a, bx by a, c by a is equal to 0. Now cancel this. X square plus bx by a plus c by a is equal to 0. Take constant term to right side. Second step. Take constant term to right side. Please, all of you should see. Take constant term to right side. When you take constant term to right side, bx by a is equal to minus c by a. Now multiply and divide middle term with 2. Multiply and divide middle term always with 2 only, compulsory. Okay, x square plus 2bx by 2a. Multiply and divide with 2 is equal to minus c by a. Now write middle term in the form of 2ab. Write middle term in the form of 2ab. When you write middle term in the form of 2ab, 2 is there, a is always x only, and leftover term is b. Leftover term is b. So b by 2a is leftover term. And last step I told you, add leftover term square on both sides. Add leftover term square on both sides. When you do like that, children, see x square plus 2 into x into b by 2a plus b by 2a whole square is equal to minus c by a plus b by 2a whole square. Add leftover term square on both sides. Remember, children, add leftover term square on both sides. It is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is nothing but a plus b whole square. So x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to minus c by a plus b square by 4a square. Same completing square method, whatever steps I told you, I am using for my quadratic equation to derive the formula. X plus b by 2a whole square is equal to minus c by a. Okay. LCM for a and 4a square is 4a square. Okay, children, a gone. So minus 4ac plus this gone, b square. Okay, children. So x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Bring this root here. When you bring this root here, x plus b by 2a is equal to under root of b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Try to understand, children. Now, x plus b by 2a is equal to under root of b square minus 4ac by 4a square has square root of 2a. Because we have removed square root, we can put plus or minus. We can put plus or minus. Okay, so once we will do with plus, once we will do with minus. Okay, x plus b by 2a is once we will do with plus. What is plus? B square minus 4ac by 2a. Once we will do with minus. What is minus? X plus b by 2a is equal to minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now bring this whole equation this side. Bring this whole equation this side. You have to practice 2-3 times, children. If you practice yesterday, I have told you complete square method. This is only, children. That's all. I'm not telling anything new. So x is equal to root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This comes here minus b by 2a. In the same way here also, x is equal to minus of b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b by 2a. Okay, children. So this we can write as x is equal to. Okay, these two will be the answers, children. But don't what we will write in the form of formula means these two will be the answers, but we don't want answers. We want to derive the formula, isn't it, children? Now bring this whole thing here. We want deriving only formula. I'm not solving the sum. X is equal to plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This whole thing comes here minus b by 2a. Okay, x is equal to 2a is the LCM, children. So plus or minus b square minus 4ac minus b. Okay, children, this is final. We will write in minus b plus or minus under root. First we are writing this we are writing here. B square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula we can use to split the any of the quadratic equation. Whenever you are not in a position to split the quadratic equations, you can use this formula directly, children. So how this formula you got, I have explained till now by using completing square method. First, I divided whole equation with coefficient of a square. Then I brought the constant term here. Then I divided and multiplied with 2. Then I wrote it in the form of 2ab. Then I wrote leftover term square on both sides. Then I wrote as a plus b whole square. I got the formula. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 2ac by 2a. Okay, children. One sum also I will show you. We can how to solve by the quadratic formula, children. How to solve with the quadratic formula, how we easily it will become for us to solve the quadratic using quadratic formula. I will show you, children. See here. Yeah. So one sum I will give you, children. I will show you. In this, if you substitute directly, we will get the answers, children. See here. How we are getting the answers, I will show you. I will write one quadratic equation. See here. Any quadratic equation which we are solving from past 2-3 days. First sum in the description, x square plus 8x plus 16. Please see here, children. Here, nothing is there means 1. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 8, C is equal to 16. That's all. Substitute this all in this, directly you will get the answer. You need not to split the middle term, nothing you can do, children. Directly you will get the answer. Please see here, children. I'm sorry. Okay, so x is equal to minus b. Minus b means minus 8 plus or minus under root of b square. B square means what, children? 8 square minus 4ac. 4 into 1 into c, 16 by 2a. A means how much, children? 1. X is equal to minus 8 plus or minus under root of 8 square is 64 minus 64 by 2. X is equal to minus 8 plus or minus under root of 0 by 2. So 0 don't have any value. Answer is minus 8 by 2. Answer is minus 4. That's it. Directly we'll get the answer. Okay, children. One more sum I'm showing, children, just for your understanding. One more sum I will show you. See here. 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. A is how much, children? 2. B is 5. C is 3. Substitute in this formula. Directly you will get the answer, children. How to substitute in this formula? X is equal to minus b means minus 5 plus or minus b square means 5 square minus 4 into a into c by 2a. 2a means 2 into 2. Okay, children. So try to understand, children. So this is going to be, I'm showing here, children. There is no place, that's why I'm showing here. So x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus under root of 25 minus 4 to the right, 8 is 24. 25 minus 24 is 1 by 4. Okay, children. So x is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 1 by 4. Once you do with minus, once you do with plus, children, you will get the answer. Once you do as minus 5 plus 1 by 4, once you do minus 5 minus 1 by 4, you will get 2 answers. That's it, children. Directly substituting in the formula. Okay, children? Are you able to understand, children? If you didn't understand, one more sum I will show you, children. 1 second. This formula derivation is important. Okay, one more sum I will show you. 1 second. Just wait. I'm sending the picture of this derivation. Okay, children. So, yeah. One sum I will tell, one more sum I will tell, children, how to do. So, I'm showing here. One more equation I'm taking. 6x square plus 5x minus 6. 6x square minus 5x plus 6. Anyone wants to say, children, substitution in this formula? Anyone wants to say?
Sir,
yeah, tell. A is how much?
A is equal to 6, B is equal to minus 5, C is equal to C is equal to 6. X is equal to minus of minus 5 plus or minus root of minus 5 whole square minus 4 into
4 into a into c
minus 4 into 6 into 6
by
by 2 into 6.
2 into 6. So x is equal
X is
to
equal to 5 plus or minus 25. 25 minus
6
25
6
minus
are
144.
36. 36 4s are 144. Oh
144
my god.
by 12.
By 12 children, this is a
X,
complex number children. So 5 plus or
X is
minus
equal to
under
5
root of
plus or minus 116. Minus
minus 121 by 12.
121
By 12. Actually, this is a complex number, children, because for root of minus 21, we don't have any numbers. So, children, if you ever, just I'm telling children only for your understanding, suppose if it is 121, suppose, then what we will do? X is equal to 5 plus or minus 11.
plus or minus 11 by 12.
Okay, just listen, children. Yeah.
Sir, it's 119 no, sir.
Okay, whatever it is, 119. Okay, it is 119. Okay, 119. Just I'm telling 121. If ever it is 121, how the sum will come? So once you do with 5 plus 11 by 12, once you do with 5 minus 11 by 12, so 16 by 12 is one answer, minus 14 by 12 is another answer. Of course, children, answer is not possible because this is minus 119. Okay, when minus 119 is there, answer is not possible. Then how to write side? This you can stop it here, children. You can stop it here, or you can write 5 plus of root of minus 119 by 12, or 5 minus root of minus 119 by 12. Like this, we can stop the equation. So children, what you do in the description, I have given two worksheets. In that worksheets, do 15 sums using this formula method, children. Using this formula method. Anyone want one more sum, or is it enough, children? Shall I explain one more sum, or is it enough?